guys, welcome to Ispytoyz. Today I'm showing you the Lego City worker set, the starter set. We got this at church because one of my friends that I know really well gave it to me. And from today, it's 2 weeks since my birthday, so I got an early birthday present. And it got a little wet because it was raining out there a lot. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 characters. And then they fix a potty. They tear it down to fix it again. And then it comes with a bulldozer and 2 cones and a loud thingy. And then they all come with hardware hats and Dalmatian starter set. And let's get this thing open. You still open this well. Whoa, messed up. What? There are no number packs. They are instructions. There are, I think I want this game. And at the end of the Lego sets, each kind will show what other ones you get. So we got this one right here. Ooh, look at this one. That's cool. No, actually, I don't know what one. So I'm going to build the people now. So, which bag? This one was the head. This one has to have the heads open. I'm just going to build the people because it takes very long to do it. So let me open this bag because there's like a lot of things in it. Hard to get in. Oh. So there's 5 pieces is what it said. Okay, so see, I'm going to make the blue man. Okay, here's this. He has a blue one, and I gotta find his face. There we go. He's the guy that works on the bulldozer.